Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door bin support in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door bin support. The two freezer door bin supports are mounted on the sides of the freezer door. They serve as the hinges for the freezer door bin. If the freezer door bin won't stay in place anymore, check and replace the freezer door bin support. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. So this is your freezer door bin, and it's mounted on the two freezer door bin supports, one on each side. So we need to press this tab in, and we're gonna release and lift up the bin. So the supports are identical. We're gonna show you how to remove this one. We have a locking tab here at the bottom. I'm gonna press it in and see how this tab will lift up and release. Now we can just remove the upper portion. This is the tab I was talking about. This is the old freezer door bin support next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new freezer door bin support, and we're going to start by inserting this top L-shaped tab into the cutout. And I'll bring it down, and I'm going to press it in so the bottom tab locks. Now I can install the freezer door bin. We're going to slide this two hinges into the openings on the supports and press it down. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.